Welcome to Eye Candy. In this week's video, I'm going to bring you along for the installation of my paint booth. So as some of you may remember, I got a paint booth back in February, and there's a previous video of the deconstruction of this booth. It was at another shop. It is an older booth. However, it is a full downdraft booth, which is awesome. Really looking forward to getting to use it. So in this video particularly is more of a time lapse of just installing the booth. There is plenty to do. The floor still needs some work. The lights still need wired up. The ducting still needs a little attention. And the inside overall just needs new paint, new booth coating, and all that good stuff. But eventually this booth is gonna be awesome. So stick around, hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for all your support. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave those below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I hope you guys have a good weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one.